Yes?
Oh, hello. Thank heavens, I've lost my way and I'm in need of the kindness of strangers.
But of course, Ms...
Oh, Lambswood. Agnes Lambswood.
Right this way, Miss Lambswood.
Oh, thank you so much. You're so kind.
Mrs Ashcroft, may I present to you Mrs Lambswood?
Delighted to meet you, my dear.
And you do. I hope you don't mind me intruding. I've lost my way.
Not at all. We love to have visitors.
You're so
May I
great.
take this?
A drink, Willoughby.
Of course, madam. There are a few options. We have the port or the sherry.
The port, I think.
Excellent choice.
Do sit down.
Grand. Thank you.
A toast to new friends.
Mrs Ashcroft, I was wondering, perhaps it might be an idea to invite Mrs Lambswood for dinner, and then have
Excellent idea, Willoughby. Make it so.
Of course.
Ah, ladies, what do we have here?
Ah, darling. Miss Lambswood, this is my husband, Mr. Ashcroft.
Oh, delighted to meet you.
Count.
New blood.
Yes.
Willoughby!
Willoughby had the idea to invite Miss Lambscroft for dinner.
Wonderful idea.
Miss Lambscroft, we'd love to have you for dinner.
Oh, I would be delighted.
Dinner is served.
I can't remember the last time we had someone for dinner.
Oh, it's been simply ages. Ages.
Yes. When do you think it was?
Well, a couple of months ago, it was the
Yes.
Seedy Bottoms.
Oh,
A nice piece of rum.
it was particularly good, wasn't it? Yes.
And then the Rowbothams. Nice piece of loin. Nice piece of loin.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. And then there was Colonel Brandon.
Oh, yes.
Was that
Oh,
last
yes.
summer, I think?
Yes, I think so.
Yes, that was very good.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Can I please use your loo?
Not at all, my dear. It's just down the hall.
That's kind.
Okay. Isn't she delicious?
Tasty. Ooh.
Leaving so soon?
Um,
We had hoped to have you for dinner.
Delicious. What do you call this, Willoughby?
Curried lambswood.
Ah.
Bon appetit.